In this lesson, we will discuss exercise 3.7, question number 2. And question we have, find the area above the x-axis and under the curve y is equal to 5 minus x square from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 2. First of all, you have to clear your concept what the question is. In question, you have to find out the area, and area is represented by A. Above the x-axis. What is the meaning of above the x-axis? I will show you with the help of graph. Then I will show you what is the meaning of above the x-axis. You should be very careful about this. Below the x-axis or above the x-axis. Here is above the x-axis and the curve is this 5 minus x square, and from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 2. This is the limit. This is the lower limit. This is the upper limit. So we will start a question here. A equal to x is equal to A, x is equal to B, and 5 dx, y dx. What is the meaning? A and B, these are the limits. Instead of A, we have to write down minus 1, lower limit. Instead of B, we have to write down 2, upper limit. Always keep in mind, lower limit you have to write down here and upper limit here. Y dx, this is the curve. Now we will put the values here. So x is equal to A, to x is equal to B, and y is 5 minus x square into dx, this one. Right, now the integration is very easy. So see, these are two terms. One is 5, other is the minus x square. So we will do separate integration. 5 dx minus x square dx. Put the limit here. X is equal to A, sorry, here we will write down x is equal to minus 1, here x is equal to 2, same thing, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2, minus 1 to 2. This is the limit. Now see here, 5 is constant, so I can solve it here. You can take 5 outside the integral sign. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2. Now is here 1 dx because we have taken 5 outside. Minus x square into dx. X is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1. So see, what is the integration of 1, which is x, and the limit is x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1, minus, here we will use the power rule, and power rule is add 1 power and divided by to the new power. So it will be x cubed divided by 3, and limit is x is equal to 2 minus 1 to 2. Now we will put the limit. Okay, like this. Instead of x, we can write down 2, and see, minus 1 minus is there for the formula, and we have 1 minus lower limit, so minus minus will be plus. 2 cube, and then minus for the formula, and again 1 minus, so it will be positive. So it is 5 into 3 minus 1 over 3, or I can write down directly 8 plus 1 9, or if you want you can do in 2 steps. I will write down directly. So it is 3, so it will be 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. So whatever is the requirement, this is the area, centimeter, meter, whatever is the unit. So you have to suppose if it is meter, you have to write down meter square, centimeter square, whatever, right? That is why I have used the word unit. So only this is the requirement of your question, and this is the answer. But I will show you with the help of graph what is the meaning of above the x-axis. In this way your concept will be more clear. So this is our curve, y is equal to 5 minus x square. In this curve, put the value of x first, minus 3. Right, so it will be 5 minus 3 square, because this is x square, and it will be minus 9, which is equal to minus 4. So our first coordinate is minus 3 minus 4. Keep in mind, always you have to write down x coordinate first and then y. Now we will put x minus 2. You can start from minus 4, minus 5, whatever. I have started minus 3. So here is now minus 2, which is equal to 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So our coordinate is minus 2 and 1. Now we will put minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 in the curve formula. So we will get 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So x is minus 1, then y is 4. If the x is 0, 5 minus 0, which is equal to 5. So it is 0 and 5. Now make it 1. If the x is 1, positive 1, which is equal to 5 minus 1, and it is equal to 1 and 4. Right? And 1 is for 2, 1 is for 3. When you will put 2 here, so it is equal to 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So 2 and 1. And for 3 is minus 9. For 3 is 3 and minus 4. So these are the coordinates. Now see one by one. This is minus 3, minus 4, minus 2, 1. We will mark on the graph. First is minus 3. When x is minus 3, y is minus 4, right? So we will get 1 point here. Then is minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and 1. Coincide these points. Third is when the x is minus 1, y is 4. Right? With the help of these 7 coordinates, I am making this graph. Now you have to mark 0, 5, 1, 4 on the graph. Here I have already made for you. These are the points you will get. Join these all points. Right? Now, this is the area above the x-axis. This is x-axis. This is above the x-axis. This is below the x-axis. Question is above the x-axis. So we have to consider this area. Now we have to find out limit. So limit is x is equal to minus 1. When x is equal to minus 1, just make this line here. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is here, right? So this area we have calculated, which is equal to 12 unit square. We did the integration of this area. Now I hope this question is clear. But if in the question it says find the area below the x-axis, then we have to consider this area from here. But if you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.